Yeah. Market butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We're here to survive. Ay, 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 ay. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. 36 bucks, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big win? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Woo, six in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying, yeah, I don't trust you. Got my beat whack, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry, buy a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself like be patient then. Try to get filled but it ran away. And I'm sitting here like should I say no way. Pull back then, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs in MQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this dough. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits, we'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We're here to survive. Ay, 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 ay.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Good evening. We are live. Just tuning in here, getting my stuff all set up. Gonna log into a prop firm here on my trading view. All right. Hey, what's up? We got 10 people watching already. 4 people in YouTube and 6 people in X. We got the X back in action, guys. X was down. There we go. Let's see. Hey, Tim and Trading Game. Good evening, guys. How are you doing? Good evening, everybody. Let's see here. Just trying to get everything all set up here. My weekend was good, thank you. How was your weekend? Did you get into anything fun? All right, so looks like we're kind of in a bullish channel here, or I guess it would be a bearish channel, but I mean, we have the gap above. We got previous day's VWAP there, last Friday's VWAP above. Point of controls up at the gap to close the gap. Typically, we've been closing the gap lately. So, that should be interesting. We got London lows sort of 26,750 area, 740 area. It was fun surfing and beer tasting. Nice. That's great. That sounds like a lot of fun. Oopsies. History. Where did you end up going surfing? Where do you live? Trading game. So obviously we had some bad news. Had some bad news about the war, seems. India, nice. So it must be some beautiful water there, hey? How are the waves? I guess you have like a certain area that has some nice waves to play with. So look at that, guys. We found support there at the 80s. 80s to 95. 15 points. We have a bullish fair value gap right at the 80 level and the 200 EMA. I was going to frame this up with a channel. So let's find that real quick here. Parallel channel. That's looking pretty good. So hey guys, I did get a new account. I got a Lucid 150K Flex account. And I went with Trade C. I wanted to test out the platform and maybe do a video, sort of give some feedback. So far, I like it pretty well. I took two little trades. I took one on MNQ to do a test out trade. So I ended up taking a long there. I added into a bunch. I sold it all up in this area, the top of these wicks. And then I went over to NQ after, and I took a short here off of the 80s level and closed it at 77 or 76. So waves are gentle, good when early morning. Nice. Hey, so good evening. How are you doing? So good, hey? Rob Miller in the house. Good evening. What's up? This chart does look a little bit too dark, though, doesn't it? Let's see if I can... see here. Let's edit this chart a bit. Background. Hey Rob, you know what? Hard to say at this point. I mean, lately we have been closing the gap every time we've gapped down, like almost every single time. I would say we had about 4 or 5 gap downs lately, and we've closed it every time. So, but what I said last time is we might fill it, but at the same time, it's hard to say because, you know, this could be the one time where they decide not to close it, right? Well, that's maybe a little bit better. Still don't really like it that much. Yeah, let's go with that. That's a little bit better. Sort of in the middle. More war news, yeah. Joanne, hola, hola. Are you Spanish now? Are you in Mexico? Did you decide to go on vacation? Iran is so crazy they could sink a tanker in the strait and close it for a long time. Yeah, they could, yes. Don't have time for vacations? Hey, Angia. Good morning. Good morning to you. Trading game, check Discord. What do we got? What do we got? Charts? I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. Yeah. I hope you did too, Angia. It's Monday morning for you, isn't it, right now? Popping up here. Look at that, guys. We did find support right at the 80 level there. Like some 84s. Now we're all the way up at almost at 700. Monday morning, having my coffee right now. Hey, enjoy that. I want to have coffee right now too. I know Angie is going to answer that question. Angie is going to answer your question there. So, but she's in Hong Kong. Oh, you got disconnected right in the middle of a trade? Oh no. Trade of 8, really? Are you back in? So we got 20 people in YouTube and 7 people in X. So we got the X channel back, guys. I just had to submit a request. I kind of was like, hey, I just showed some AI videos on the stream. Hopefully that isn't against the rules. I guess they figured out it wasn't against the rules and gave my account back, which is pretty good. That would have sucked. Yes, my trade hit TP. There you go. Nice. They just didn't want you to mess with it, right? You just went long to MES on 71.23. Let's take a look at the MES book map here for Tim. What the heck? I'm going to have to exit book map here, I think. It's telling me that I have too much, not enough memory. So what I should probably do actually is I got to make sure I go in and delete anything in my downloads here. Yeah, I got a pretty big file. Did I already put this away? Let's make sure I already put this. Oh shit, cancel that. There we go. Does anyone use the WADA ATAR explosion indicator? Never heard of it. I have way too many things in my download file here. I gotta get rid of these. Delete this stuff. I'm pretty limited on the amount of space that's left on my computer at the moment. That opened up a couple gigabytes. It's crazy when you start downloading videos and stuff. All right, well, I don't got to close that anymore. So there we go. So for Tim's 71.23, we do have some orders above 71.28, 71.30, 71.35. A couple orders down below 71.20 and 71.10. 1675. And NQ, looking at it here, we have orders at 706, 720, 735. Mostly all above. I'm not seeing a whole lot sticking out below. We do have 26,650 below, 76 contracts there, and 26,640. You're up 600. Nice. Very nice. Silver is my new friend. I was long on silver. Nice. Well, it's pretty good too that it's kind of like the volatility is slowed down a little bit. So that's not a bad thing, right? Because it makes it a little bit cleaner. Good evening. Are watching gold as well on the book map? Yeah, I got gold on the book map. Let's see here. MGC. Is this the right one? Yeah. MGCM6. You know, I never really like the gold stuff on the book map. There's nothing ever really that obvious for targets. So it's not really something that I think is that reliable. These seem like algorithms. 4828, 4832, 4818, 4814 here. So I can't, nothing really ever sticks out to me. It just looks like algorithms around it. If you know what I mean, like see how these are moving around here. And then these ones are like perfectly spread out. So the book map doesn't really help me much ever on gold. So oh, you just opened it. Finally, a gap down. Yeah. Yeah, we gap down again. Raj Tiss in the house. Good evening. You think we'll hit 26,722 on NQ? I don't see why not. That's not that far away. We already sort of topped out at 716. So far, we've been pretty bullish in this channel here. Although typically this is like a bearish, potentially a bearish channel, right? We could roll over to the downside out of this channel here. Let's see. The Hawkfly said, I tried out Wada Atar Explosion for volume. I dropped it. In TOS, Ripster has a good relative volume I like. Gotcha. Any reason you dropped it in particular? Thanks for sharing, Nanjia. Hey, we're getting busier in the stream here. We got 42 people in YouTube and 7 in X. How is oil looking? So oil gapped up. We were down at 83 at the end of the session on Friday. We gapped up all the way to 87, popped up to 89.60, and then ended up rolling over. So we're back down at 86.66. We are in a bullish fair value gap, but it's looking like it wants to go lower still. I don't know about you guys, but use tick charts. They give me the feel for volume on their own. Oh, nice. I've never really used tick charts myself. Seems a little fast. Well, I wouldn't mind getting an entry in the 80s here. We kind of like formed some support in this area. We have a bullish fair value gap lining up right at the 26,680. But we're going to have to see. We do have this bearish fair value gap here at the 700s. We might not end up pulling back. We do have a secondary fair value gap down here at the 60s. And then another one actually right after that, down to the 50s. Bit of a mixed bag on you know, typically, you know, this did work here, the 80s, but you know, whenever we have stacked fair value gaps, I usually like to look to the lower ones anyways for an entry. Have you tried flea charts? No, what's flea charts? Is that like, is it in the list here? Flea charts? Like a bunch of little fleas jumping around on the chart or what? This guy knows his parasites? Flea charts. This market is going for blood? Possibly. As in, you mean it's bearish? I mean, we did gap down, so. So if you guys, anybody's interested in Trade C, this is what it looks like. I subscribe to Rhythmic with the Trade C here. I kind of like it. It's pretty good. It reminds me a little bit of like Project X. You can, you know, you can have your stop loss, your take profit in place. You add to your trade. It'll just kind of like add it in. It won't, you know, like it's easy to manage. Not like the same way that Trade Evade is, where if you add, then you got to change your stop and you got to change your take profit or add more like orders on those areas. But yeah, Trade C, SEA, Trade C. It's just a new you know, a platform that recently came out that I figured I would give it a try. Be the test subject. Oh. How do I, it won't let me adjust this little bar though, unfortunately. Because it doesn't line up very good with my photo or my video feed. You like Project X but developed some bad habits with it? I'm all ninja now. Nice, the hawk. What did please explain to us, what bad habits did you develop with Project X? Trade C, yes. Ninja Trader 8 desktop is professional level futures trading software. Hey, thanks, Trust Futures. Wildfire FX. Oh, okay, I get it. What did you say? Does flea stand for something? Okay. Yeah. Somebody's just messing around in the fleas. Ticks, fleas, blood. So it looks like we're gonna be in another one of these situations, guys, where are we gonna just chop for the whole trading session here? We're stuck in this sort of range right here. I mean, we kind of got to be bullish because the short-term trend here has been pretty bullish. We've been, you know, we made a new low here. We did break these lows. Okay, so we made a new high, new low, new high, new low, lower high, lower low, right? So I guess this is kind of a key level if we're going to get back into bullish territory. 26,772. If we can get above that, that's a good sign anyways, that we'd be at least probably heading up to 850 area. The way I could scalp and slide my TP really quickly worked in limited situations, but it had me sizing up in a dumb way. All right, yeah. Gotcha. Yeah, you know, sometimes when you have that, you know, TP in place and you see price going up, you're like, well, I can just add here and I'll add here, and you know, it just automatically gets it ready. But yeah, it could, I guess it could have some negative effect for sure. So guys, I don't know if I mentioned, but I made a YouTube video for TradingView, and that's going to be released next Saturday. I have it already scheduled to release. I'm just releasing some like short video teasers for the week, but that'll be coming out next week. The market is hella choppy right now. Don't trade. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. In this current price action here between 82 and 710 area, pretty choppy. I would be interested if we get a pullback to the 80s here, though. If we can get some sort of reaction, I might try to take a little scalp out of here, maybe 80, back up to like 90 or so, like a 10, 15 point scalp. Oh, Skyline shared their French bulldog. Oh, so cute, so cute. Who's Skyline in the YouTube? Is it the same handle? I can't remember. Trust Futures. You went long after the open on MES and made 1280. Nice job. Nice job. Beautiful. Chris should break long, needs 15 to 30 more minutes. Yeah, I can see that happening. Hey, Skeletor in the house. Good evening. And Chris. Jay, what's up? How you doing? I'm gonna have to go get some food. Jay's here. Jeez. I got some leftover Chinese food that I ordered yesterday. Didn't have time to cook. What's up, everybody? We got 46 people in YouTube and 7 in X. Good evening. Good evening. Welcome. I'm just gonna open up a quick little poll here just to see how everyone's day is going. If you're green, red, or flat, you know, the usual. There we go, guys. Appreciate the response there. No pressure, though. It's totally anonymous. Good evening, Angia. And Gina. I like it. I haven't figured out how to tag in comments at. Doesn't seem to work. Really? Let me see. Let me see. Oh, mine works. Maybe because it's my channel. Futures Trader 552. Good evening. Yo, Joanne, you take it off? It's too slow. I'm going to fall asleep in front of my screen. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, Joanne. See ya. You can't tag if you use a phone? Oh, okay. Not on mobile, at least. Gotcha. Or iPad. I did make one more theme song, Rob. I was playing it this when I came in today. Let's see here. I'll pop it on again. Here's my latest one.
Market Butcher Live.
Market Butcher Live.
We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MNQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow.
When you're on mobile, it doesn't show on the side that's tagging, but it works. Okay.
Just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours barely alive. Oil going up in the Nasdaq too.
Oil's going up and the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying.
No way. Pull back then, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs in MNQ. That's straight pain.
Hey, that's a good idea. I should make a theme, like make a whole album, eh? You know what I should do is I should copy all the messages in the chat right now and put it in there and see what comes out.
So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Who take that risk? I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market butcher live.
Turntable butcher. Yeah.
We here to survive. Yeah. Market butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Income sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up, only 4 hours, barely alive. Up in the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. I'ma be back on my levels clean. Wherever you got, but you know what I mean. It's my everybody sick again. Now I'm talking to myself like a patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs in NQ, that's straight pay. Got banned on X for some random clip.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna make you guys a song here live. So I just copied all the chat comments and then I popped it into AI and I said, "Here's take all the chat comments and turn it into a song for me here." And then we'll upload this to the song making. I think Hong Kong's in here too. As Hong Kong, from Hong Kong to India.
We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Income sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up, only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, but you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let's be patient then. Try to get.
Okay, let's see what happens here. This is gonna be interesting. Okay, let me get back to the charts here. Well, that's making its way.
Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Income sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market.
Uni, hi, how are you? Good evening.
We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Income sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool.
Good evening, good evening. So we are getting this pullback here. Let's see what happens when we get down to the 80s. Now, if we end up flushing straight through it, we do have a bunch of orders here sitting right above the 80s. This looks like 80.75. Let's play base hits, guys.
Yeah. Okay. We barely got sleep and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up on the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying.
2 shorts in. Let's see if NQ can drop today. Oh, you're short, Angia? Nice. That fair value gap near 680 or so, a nice area to bounce to the upside. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of thinking. I don't know how deep this is going to pull back, but this is on the 10-minute chart. I'm curious to see what happens around the 80 to 75 area. Gonna download these songs here real quick. They're ready. Just like that, guys, we made 2 songs. I just got to upload them onto the StreamYard. Downloads. It's funny because I went to sleep and then I was like, in the morning I woke up and I was like, stack these base hits. Stack these base hits. Hey, the whiz. Greetings all. I think I'm waiting for it to return to session PLC prior to entering long. So you're looking at the current price POC. Let's do a fixed range volume profile here. So you're thinking down here at 650 area, which is lining up with the overnight VWAP. I like that. I like that. That's a good call. Okay, guys, here's the new one.
Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in George. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat, yeah, the squad pulling up. Weekend was ways, beer tasting, fill my cup. Early morning surf, yeah, the vibe too clean. Now we back at the charts, trying to read this screen. Do we close the gap? Yeah, that's all we say. War news dropping, markets don't play.
War news dropping, market news don't play.
TP hit while I DC. Went long on mess, yeah, 7123. ATM dialed in, yeah, come trade like me. Plus 600, yeah, she flexing the game. Silver in Asia, yeah, we running that game. Market going.
Silver in Asia, we're running that game.
Tick charts, fleet charts, where the volume flow. Rocket emoji, countdown, lift off. Oh, but then someone says, don't trade, yeah, we back off. Discord check, yeah, we build that crew. 1K subs, yeah, we coming through. Coffee in the morning, charts at night. OE market, butcher stream, yeah, we do it right. Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Go getting close.
Flea charts, yeah.
Hit the TP while I got disconnected. Market so choppy.
TP while I got disconnected.
Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong.
Tick charts, flea charts, where the volume flow. Market Butcher Gang. Yeah, we play it smart. Okay, this is a second version of the same song.
Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Oh, getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. CE market so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked and drop. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat, yeah, the squad pulling up. Weekend was waves, beer taste, and fill my cup. Ooh, early morning surf, yeah, the vibe too clean. Now we back at the charts, trying to read this screen. Do we close the gap? Yeah, that's all we say. War news dropping, markets don't play.
My FPGA study on TOS matches indicator on TradingView. At least I know it's working correctly. Nice. Yeah, good. That's pretty crazy. You built your own.
Charts, fleet charts, where the volume flow. Rocket emoji, countdown, lift off. But then someone says, don't trade. Yeah, we back off. Discord check, yeah, we built that crew. 1K subs, yeah, we.
Okay, nice. Candle dealer, hey.
Good evening, good morning, where you trading from?
Yes, doing very well, thank you. How are you?
So choppy, man, I should have respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in drug. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. See, you're tomorrow, yeah.
You built a lot of custom stuff with it, Chris? Nice. Okay, let's focus in on trading here. I'll turn this music down a little bit. Might be a little too loud here. Although there's not really much to look at right now. This price is still just chopping here. This could be a flag that's going to attempt to break out though, right? We have a bearish fair value gap up here at 700 level. So we took 700s, had an indecision candle, sort of a upside down hammer, and then we sold off down below. MCL crossed the EMA, long target, 87.81. Ooh, yeah. There's a bearish fair value gap though. What did you say? 87.81. Yeah, that could definitely hit. I mean, it's a little bit in the top of that fair value gap, but I don't see why not. Good luck on that. Ooh, look, a candle. No, candle dealer, I'm currently flat right now. Just not really super stoked about this price action. Currently, we're just kind of chopping around here. I would like to see us get a deeper pullback, maybe down into the 70s, 75 area, potentially even lower to the 60s. NQ, you know you're free to fall. Just fall to the ground, like free fall, please. Nice, Angia. Angia's you're in one micro short, right? I think you said. You know, out of all the times that we've gapped up or gapped down lately, we filled the gap every time, but it's kind of like one of these times it's not going to work, right? You know, one of these times it's going to take a day or two or something, or some good news, which you never know. Pumpkinhead might throw something out there. Oh, you're short 2 micros. Yeah, pretty choppy right now. Luckily, I caught an earlier trade in the Asia Open session. Yeah, I took a couple little trades here on the Trade C account here. This is a Lucid 150K flex evaluation. I'm up 129 here. I took a test trade in MNQ. I made about $30, and then I took an NQ trade and I made $100. And so far, I'm liking the charts and the controls and everything. The only thing is, I wish I could adjust this this little bar on the right side here, pull it over, give it a little more space, but it doesn't seem to want to accounts here, orders, positions, P Spark. What is P Spark? Oh, these are studies. Surrender now. Not going to short anymore. Goodbye, NQ. Oh, on that little pop there. Yeah, it looks like we're trying to go up here a bit. I don't really want to trade this though currently. I mean, it is breaking out. 94 up to 700 here, finding a little bit of resistance there. Getting a little resistance at the 700s. Did we have some orders there? So about 13 contracts went through there at 700. Another 7. I gotta exit Bookmap here real quick. It's telling me that it's got too much data. Let's get this back up here real quick. Hey Tim, good night. See ya. Time for your bedtime, hey? Tim, you'll be at the farm store tomorrow? Got responsibility. This guy's a maniac. He trades while he's working. I think I might need to get rid of some of the contracts that I have subscribed to on Bookmap here, because it keeps eating up my data and telling me I cannot. Data or memory. Hey Vibe, what's up? Hey, it's an X comment. You guys probably cannot see that, but we just got a comment from X. You think we're going to fill the gap? I mean, there's a good chance we are going to fill the gap. Every time that we've gapped down lately, we have filled the gap, but you never know. This could be the one time that we don't fill the gap. So, oh, you guys will be able to see it here. See, this is Vibe. He's messaging in from X. We don't get very many comments on X, so I had to put that up there. Thanks for the comment there, Vibe. Yeah, I mean, like I was saying, we have filled the gap almost every time that we've gapped down lately. So, you know, my instincts is to say yes, we're gonna fill the gap. Maybe in New York, maybe by New York. Hard to say when exactly, but you never know. Maybe this is gonna be the one time. And I said this last time we gapped down, which we filled the gap. I said maybe this is gonna be the time that we don't fill the gap right away. Anyways, at some point we're obviously gonna fill the gap. I just don't see us being bearish too much. I mean, unless some really bad news comes out. Usually when we're making all-time highs, it's an indicator that we're going to continue to make all-time highs. Maybe not back-to-back days, but in the near future, we're going to be pushing this market higher, I'm sure. Hey, Lilish, good evening, sir. Or good morning, I should say, maybe. You think before New York Open it'll fill the gap? Yeah, quite possibly. If it's indication of what we've been doing recently, then I don't see why not, right? Because like I said, we've been feeling the gaps almost every single time. Notice we're above the 21 and 50 EMA and VWAP till now. Well, I still have us above the VWAP. And here's I got the 9 and the 21. 9 and 21 are holding currently. But you're saying the 21 EMA and the 50 EMA. Yeah, you're right. Sorry, I just misread your comment there. Yes, we are above all of them currently. Still holding above the 9 also, which is a little bit of a faster moving one. So use the 21 and the 50. Nice. I have the 9 and the 21 there, and then if you look further down here, this is the 200 EMA. So 26,601 on the 10-minute chart here. I haven't seen Sharpie. I wonder what he's up to. Is Sharpie? Do you guys see Sharpie in the chat? Yeah, it seems like Sharpie's not here right now. This guy's spending too much time on the charts all day, every day. Sharpie's Amen in the Discord, if you guys didn't know. Yeah, this time I think since everyone thinks it's going to fill the gap, it won't. I said the same thing about filling the gap past times, but maybe not this time since everyone thinks it now. Yeah, you know, the market is weird in that situation, vibe, where it often does what the opposite of what everybody thinks, right? So that could be today, but you know, if we can get above the value area low, which is here, there's a previous day value area low, sort of 26,720. I would say the chances of filling it are much higher, right? We're not that far away. You know, NQ can move that far, no problem, right? It's 100 points above. You know, one little truth post, and we'll be on our way. I never used a 10-minute chart. There's never too much time on the charts. Yeah, that's true. I won't disagree with that. So we got 81 people watching right now, 71 in YouTube and 10 in X. Welcome everybody, appreciate you guys. And like I was saying, don't usually get very many comments from X, and now we've got 2 from Vibe, 3 from Vibe. Thanks for replying. Have a good night and good luck. Hey, thank you and good luck to you also. Yeah, so I don't know. I think probably a bunch of the people who are in the chat do know that I got temporarily banned off of X because I played some Chuck Norris videos on the stream. And I don't know, maybe somebody on X reported me or something, but my account was banned for about a week there. And I submitted to them just saying like, hey guys, like, I don't know what happened. I played some short video, like some videos that were on X on the stream, and you know, I got banned. And if that was against the rules, I apologize, but like, can I have my X account back? And yeah, they reinstated it, so it's good to go today. What time is it in Canada? It is, for me, it's 8 p.m. So it's like 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So oh man, this is some slow action here, guys. This has just been the routine lately for us, hey? Well, we might end up getting our deeper pullback here, but if we end up getting our deeper pullback, I don't know if I'm going to be that stoked to just buy it down here. I'm going to have to be patient and see if we can get some support. AG number 500 in the house. What's up? AG. That's right. I'm going to have to feed the dogs here in a little bit. Hopefully I don't miss anything here. You're long, but I don't like the action. Well, I mean, I'm long biased still, so I don't know. I guess it depends on your position and your size. We might pull back. I'm looking for a pullback sort of into the 80s, down to the between the 60s and the 80s here for an entry. Oh, excuse me. Lemex, hey, good evening. Bit of a slow spot again, hey? Yeah, exactly. That's what I was saying. Do you ever mark VP levels like Zach with previous days session volume? Yeah, that's exactly what it is. VP, like volume point of control, you mean? That's what all these are here. Value area high, value point of control, value area low. So these three levels here are the value areas from the previous price action. So yes, I do. Angia said to Lilish, I guess NQ just waiting another news candle today again, like pump or drop 60, 70 points in one candle. Nice, yeah. Yeah, he's got some good content for sure. You're on NQ and value area high I see is 726. Are you looking at the current price value area high? Like the developing volume profile? $726. Oh, you're looking at I don't have that number. If you're looking at previous days point value areas, I got value area low at 719, the point of control 822, value area high at 868, value area low 725. Yeah, close. I got mine at 720. I do mine on the 30-minute chart, right? 30-minute chart, turn on session volume profile. This is where this one lines up, 721. So it depends. If you do it on like the 5-minute chart, it might move it around, depending on which chart you put it on. So let's see here. 1-minute chart maybe. Oh, mine's all showing the same level, even on the fives and the 1 minute. Well, we look like they're trying to get a deeper pullback here. Let's see. Oh, maybe it's yeah, NQ might be a little different because if you're on the big contracts, I'm looking at the small contracts here. So that there's definitely usually a difference on the big contracts. So let's just turn on our session volume profile. We're on the 30-minute here. Yeah, I still got 721.75. But yeah, 725 is, you know, close enough, I would say. $650, $660 area. $654, $655. $1,006. This guy. There we go. So I'm gonna stick an order there for now. Let's see, and just in case we get a big wicking type candle, wouldn't mind getting picked up in this area. Get this midnight open price out of the way. It hasn't quite got there. We got about 45 minutes. You're nursing a silver short, faded the gap fill, taking its sweet time to get back towards VWAP. Silver. You said silver, right? Yes. It almost filled the gap though, hey, by like 80.76, and the gap is 80.83. Angie, are you still in that short? AG may have overstayed his longs. Yeah, that sucks. Is that a limit order you put on to go long? If so, what level? Yeah, I was looking at the 655 here, kind of like lining up with the VWAP and sort of the current volume point of control. Well, I might end up changing my idea, my position here, my potential entry. We'll have to be patient here. But I just put it there just in case we kind of get a big, fast-acting wick candle. You never know. Sometimes those market orders come through and they just like wick it straight down and bounce it straight back up. So I just figured I should at least have an order at the overnight VWAP here to see if we're going to find support again, because we pretty much found support repeatedly here. We've opened up, you know, found support there, ended up pulling back, found support again. Now we're pushing up. So if this is going to stay bullish, we're going to probably find some support here again, at least at the overnight. But yeah, my order's at 26,655. We tickle wick 580. You think we're going to go to 580? Uh-oh. I hope not. I would probably cut this guy about 10 points, so 55, so maybe 15 points. If we start getting below 40, I'll probably want to cut this. 680. Ah, gotcha. Yeah. I was like, whoa, 580 is quite a ways. Okay, I'm gonna put a stop in there just because if this decides to keep going, I'll put my stop here at 39.50. So this would be a sell for stop. Worst case scenario, I am gonna step away here just for a minute, guys. I'm just gonna go whip up some dog food for the dogs. Hey, look at that! We got to 100 viewers right now. Wow, 92 people in YouTube and 10 in X. Hey, what's up, everybody? Thank you. Welcome to the stream. If you're new to the channel, I would totally appreciate a subscription or subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification and a like. Thanks for the support, you know? Hopefully we can continue to grow the channel here. We're up at 875, trying to get our way up to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so I just ended the poll there, guys. So we had 57% green, 26% flat, and 17% red. So that's awesome, guys. Thanks for doing the poll there. 47 votes. Looks like mostly everybody is green or flat, which is a smart position. Flat is a position here. We are bouncing right now on this 5-minute candle here. Look at this. So currently on the 3-minute chart, this 200 EMA looks like it's been resistance. Okay, guys, I'm just going to go try to feed the dogs here really quick. Waiting for this pullback. Hopefully we'll get it while I'm away. You never know. I will be right back. Oh, you missed your 680 entry? Damn. That would have been a nice one. Didn't quite get there, hey? The low of that candle, 681.75. Very nice. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry. Ralph's in the house. Say hi, everybody. Hi, 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 hi. Ralph dinner. Everybody say hi to you, Ralph. No pullback, hey? No pullback. I'll be right back. Almost there. Rejected off the 200 EMA again, hey? My sincerest apologies. What did I miss? One of the chickens making an appearance? Where's the big dog? The big dog, I don't bring him upstairs. He's too furry. You can get fur everywhere. But I could potentially connect my phone to StreamYard and show you guys. Could do that, possibly. I thought I had a limit order, but it did not hit. Oh, damn. Jerry Trades, what's up? Good evening. So are we just going to go sideways here till we hit the bottom of this channel and then go? Interesting. Maybe. Doggo spy cam? Yeah. Doggo spy cam. I like it. YouTube Paul, I vote for dog cam. Hey, Jerry Trades. Let's see here. I might be able to get the dog cam going. Let me just Okay, well, we're heading back into this flag area. Let's see though, maybe we're not really accurate with this guy at the moment. Anyways, let's just get rid of this guy. Not really giving us an indication. Looks like the 200 EMA is sort of our line in the sand right now, lining up also with the psychological level of 700. Okay, let me see if I can connect here to StreamYard. Let's get a new tab. Okay, I'm gonna go down there and give you guys a look at Frank. How can I switch this camera around here? Can you sit? Sit. There's Frank, everybody. Say hi, Frank. Over here. Oh, don't smell me. He's a good boy. Yeah, he's a big guy. You shake? Shake. Oh yeah, that's a good boy. Yeah, Frank's a Great Pyrenees. He's like around 150 pounds. Let him go and send him to me. Yeah, he's a cute guy. Give me that dog. Yeah, I know. Everybody seems to like the white color, right? But if you knew how much fur you gotta like deal with when it's like grooming time, oh my lord, there's a lot. Hey, Fawn's in the house. Hey, how you doing? Hopefully nobody's taking trades in this stuff, guys. Here, this is just not very friendly price action, to say the least. Seems like 80 is kind of the level here. If we hold 80, you're gonna stay chopping in this range. So, aye. You're short because you're a degen? You know, I mean, a short could end up playing out here in your favor. I'm waiting for a deeper pullback, so a short could definitely work. Not me. I'm gonna wait a few hours. I know it'll break market structure. Yeah, that's probably a good way to trade, Skeletor. Just be patient here. So far, we're just sort of like consolidating in this range. Trade C out is 60. Nice. Maybe the dog cam is the answer to reaching 1,000 subscribers faster. Hey, maybe, hey? Just set up a permanent dog camera, like my co-pilot. Hey, well, we currently have 89 people watching right now, 79 in YouTube, 10 in X. Welcome, everybody. Did we get any new subscribers tonight? Probably doesn't help that I was away for a few minutes there. Hey, we got 878, so we got a few. I trade prop firms. I trade Lucid and Top One Futures. I do have discount codes with them, and I also trade Take Profit Trader. Rod, you're the 90th tonight? Nice. Thank you. 90th in the stream, yeah. 81 in YouTube and 10 in X. And this is probably like the third time ever that we got Lucid. Yeah, Lucid's awesome, man. I got a Lucid funded flex account. I have two Lucid, that's a 50K. I have two Lucid 50K evals. And then I just recently fired up this just today. Oh, again, a bit of a pullback here. I just fired up this Trade C Rhythmic Lucid 150K eval. Drop it, NQ. And holding that level there. Dipped into the 80s again here. Let's see what happens here at the 80s. Top business and money. Drop it ES. Nice. Fonz, I use a combination of the value areas. So previous day value areas, which we're not in right now. So I use those as my levels, and then also previous day high and low. I use a VWAP for general bias and some potential trades. And then depending on what direction we're heading in, if we're bullish or bearish, I'm usually looking for fair value gap entries, just like this one right now. Probably is a decent one to take here. I'm gonna let this play out a little bit longer here, though. See what we can make happen here. We dipped down to 75 there. So my thoughts right now is where we go in. Well, I'm looking for a deeper pullback here for an entry. You know, I like the 80s here, the 680 level, but I'm gonna kind of let this candle play out a bit since we've been sort of trending lower for a while here. I don't want to just like jump in front of this if this decides to continue heading down too much. So patience is the name of the game at the moment. We've been pretty choppy here for the last, what, I don't know, how long is this? 18:30 to 20. So last 2 hours almost, we've been basically going sideways here. So, I mean, I would like to see us go close the gap, right? Maybe even in New York or by New York. We'll have to see. We did find some more support at that 80 level, man. go down to the 3-minute here. Keep an eye on this guy. Hey, you're welcome, Fonz. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, well, we have been closing the gap almost every time we've gapped down lately, right? So the market wants to be bullish, but with the news and all that, it's just so much indecision, and then bad news just sends the market down. Then we end up recovering. So no reason for upside with incoming doom. Yeah, I mean, but often the market likes to do, you know, opposites of what everybody thinks it's going to do, right? So yeah. So, you know, it's hard to say at this point. You know, we've been, obviously, since we've opened up, we've been pretty bullish, right? We've been pushing higher. We've been going sideways for the last couple hours here. I feel like this 700 level, which is lined up with the 200 EMA, is a pretty key level for us to break above and hold. Did we even hold 700 on? So we barely held 700 for two 10-minute candles there on this little, and then right up to the top of the trend line there. Value area low. We have Touche. Trying to eat my dinner here. I apologize, guys. Yeah, the 80 level, hey? The 80 level. Eat well, sleep well. Thank you, Angia. Angia, you're always so nice. Phidias? I don't even know what that is. What are you talking about? Phidias expert trader in chat. I don't even know what it is, so probably not. Lilish, hey, watch your mouth. We have kids here. Okay, well let's put on some of these this music here. What is this one here? Base hits, guys.
Yeah. Okay. We barely got sleep and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up with the Nasdaq too. One of your line, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying the financial statements. Yeah, Mr. Entry Right pain. Almost got filled again. Set this up, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little basics. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MNQ Futures stops in a rip quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase sides, but we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits.
Hey, if you're new to the channel, I would appreciate you to subscribe. We're just slowly trying to grind our way up to 1,000 here. We're at 878 right now. 881. Woo. Can we hit 900 today? I don't know. Let's see. That's hopeful. We need about 19 more. We can do it. I'm looking for this break of the 80s. Yeah, if we can break the 80s with a nice strong push down, and could end up pushing lower. Your entry is my exit. Or yeah, my entry is your exit. I'll have to, maybe I should set up a chicken cam. You guys can see all the chickens. They're all roosting in the coop right now. Hey, thanks, Fonz. Appreciate that. Welcome to the community. We do have a Discord also if you're looking to join a Discord. I'll link it in the chat. It's pretty active. It's a free Discord. We're just building a community. Nothing too serious. You can share stuff. It's pretty friendly.
Yeah. Okay. What's up? Good evening. We just getting live right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. MNQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up with the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying. I don't trust you.
So if you didn't know, Fonz, this is what I've done is I've taken the chat out of a couple of the live streams and we've turned it into some music. So that's what this is. This is like AI generated music directly from the chat.
I'm just stacking little bases. Yeah, $36, don't waste it. MNQ sweep your stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know that, get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like, what I do wrong?
No shit.
The market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about copy and trades. Life advice mixed with scalp and plays. Someone sold early, now they regret, man. I should have held, yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green, then 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. Stacking little bases, yeah. Small wins.
We ain't greedy, we've been here before.
Then it dips quick, then reverses. Yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive kids. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. We'll let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gambling, just hit and quit. You crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, yeah, that's that script.
My mind is telling me to go long here, but I'm not really convinced it's a great time to do that.
All right, guys, couple base hits.
I don't really have much confluences. I guess we do have the 200 EMA there. If we can get back above the 200 EMA on the 3-minute chart. Why is this like this though? That's a weird shaped EMA.
Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. MNQ moving wild while the volume low key. Yeah. Market butcher live. We're not here to
I saw a video where a chicken was following ducks walking towards a pond. The ducks entered the pond and started swimming. The chicken also entered the pond and realized it couldn't swim and immediately jumped out. Yeah. Looks like chickens have better survival instincts than human traders. Yeah. Right? We're all here for the punishment.
Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Got my beat wet, got my levels clean, fair value gap. Yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry, buy a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself like be patient.
Hey, 103 people in the channel. Welcome. Anyone who's new, say what's up in the chat. If you're new here, I'd love to hear from you. 10 people in X also. We did get a couple comments from X. It's good to know that it actually does show up here. I'm always worried that I just missing those comments. What's Gucci traders? Sinister's back in the house. What up? Welcome back, sir.
Take that. Let's trade.
Why trade futures instead of stocks or forex? Well, people started to come after you showed your dog. Hey, yeah, maybe, eh? We gotta put him live on the stream here. Ralph's sleeping right now already. Okay, so the reason why I like futures better than stocks or forex is because, for one, you don't have to look at 6 to 10 stocks. You got to keep track of so many stocks to trade, right? Some are popping up or some are gapping down. You're going to target those ones typically for a trade. So it's kind of hard to figure out exactly which one is going to be the big winner on the day. So that's a good. Up until recently, the PDT rule is another good reason why trading futures is good. You wouldn't be affected by the PDT rule, but I think that's been changed now. All the orders for these futures are centralized. So they all go through, like if you're trading NQ, they all go through Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So there's no ghosting orders or dark pool orders or whatever you want to call them kind of idea. So when there's orders on the book, they're all going to show up here, right? Then you got your risk to reward, right? So you can put in a very little amount to get into a prop firm, and if you know what you're doing and you can turn it into profit, the return on the ROI on your initial investment is very good, right? You spend $100 on an account. Once you pass it to a funded account and hit your profit target, you can turn that $100 into $1,500 or $2,000, or depending on how many payouts you can take out. So there's that. And the futures, they also trade like all day and all night. So depending on what time you're available to trade, right, you can trade from in the morning or London or Asia or the New York. So it's only down for 1 hour every day, and then closed over the weekend kind of idea. But so those are some of the reasons I like it. You can trade Forex futures on the CME. Okay, nice. Then, there's a lot bigger spreads and stuff in Forex. If we bounce off the fair value gap, you might go long. Yeah, I mean, if we can retake the 80s, I would be interested. They're stacking orders below here. We got some at 65 and 60. Charts tonight, OP market, butcher stream, yeah, we do it right. Good evening, good morning, where you trading
close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. Market so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in joy.
From Hong Kong to India. Let's get some more relaxed music here. 96 people, 86 in YouTube, 10 in X still. That number, the 10 people in X, has been staying steadily the same here. So we are getting a bit of a bounce here, guys. $77. Sinister, you got long? Nice. I do like it. The only thing that I don't really like about it is that we've fallen out of the bottom of this channel. But we did it before and we found support and bounced back up. So that doesn't necessarily mean it's, you know, it's not good. This could be just a higher low, right? So I think we might print a lower low before going on, in my opinion. Money bag finance. Yeah, I mean, so you're thinking we're going to head all the way back down to 615 area? So this was or all the way down to 530. I mean, that's quite a ways. So there's our low, new high, new low, new high, new low, or a higher low. So we would have to sort of be taking out this 614 area. JDs. Take a long before the end of the channel. Take a long before the end of the channel. Oh, it bounced one tick from your stop loss? Wow, that's tight. So you're still in that long, AG. Wow, that's some patience, bro. Oh, you're trading ES? You're looking at 71.15? Yeah, that's a pretty key level there, for sure. So now we have a bearish fair value gap at the 80s here. I'm still flat here, guys. I've only taken 2 small trades, a test trade and then another trade here. So I'm up 129 in this new Lucid 150K eval on Trade C. But this seems to be the trend for this. Oh, there we go. We're getting a bit of a pop here. $47 seconds left here. 2680. Let's hope that this isn't a rejection point, because this could be like, an attempt to get back in the channel and they reject it and we end up heading lower, possibly. Whoever got long, if anybody got long down here at the 70 to 75 area, I would be a little cautious here to at least take some profits, some partials, because this could be a bit of a key area to get a rejection. 80 has been, multiple times we've been pretty much finding support at 80 level. So I'd be waiting for probably a candle closure above this bearish fair value gap, 6681 for a potential long. Is 80s now resistance? Is correct. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, right? So 80 is kind of like the key level here. If we're gonna get a candle closure above it, that would give me some, some resilience into wanting to take this trade back higher. Zut Allures, you're already out. Took a scalp. Nice trade there, Sinister. Nice job. So again, we're still finding a little bit of resistance here at the 80s, 80, 81 area. Yeah, slowly try to get through this food here. I usually got to like talk in between, so I just like take a bite and then it's a big, long, drawn out process on the stream. But I'm almost done, unfortunately, because I still feel hungry. Let's put Ralph on the stream. Maybe he'll help the market move here. Come say hi, Ralph. Hi. Hi, guys. Hello. Say what's up to Ralph, everybody. Say hi, Ralph. I can't help but think the big boy lets us rip this market, and now overtime we love. YSC Montarius. Hey, where are you from? So again, find a resistance here now at the 80s. I can help but think the big boys let retail rip this market, and over time we lose 30%. Yeah, I mean, that would be something that the market makers would want. Let us all buy it up and then delete it. What's with this? I've been seeing this trend here on YouTube. All right, well, hey, what the heck? Looks like we're gonna head lower here, guys. I don't know. Finding resistance here at the 80s. I've still been bullish minded, but it's looking like they're trying to roll it over here. Don't get induced into a short just yet, though. We have any news coming up on Monday? Let's see. On the 20th, right? Canadian CPI. No, not important. Looks like a no news Monday. So I guess we'll be waiting for a tweet. You're short 677. Nice. I wish you luck there, Sinister. I just feel like I just don't, we're still kind of in this range, the chop range. So, but I feel like if I could get above, feel like if I could get above 80s, I'd be interested. So weird, guys. I just heard this noise, and it sounded like a stop loss or something hit in one of my accounts, but there's no trades active and no losses or anything, so that was weird. My Tradeovate just like made this weird like noise. The chopper. Your break even if it comes to stop me? Nice. Yeah. Protect that position. Good idea. Well, a short off the 80s was the way to go right there, I guess. I mean, technically, this could be the channel, actually. We line it up with these stacked lows over here. And this could be the draw on liquidity currently. 618. Hey, Lone Wolf. Good evening. Good evening. How is everything in Washington State, right? Do you have any new doggy videos? I was curious. Always enjoy watching those. It's good there. Nice. Did you guys see Tim's, where Tim lives? It's like flooded like crazy. He posted some pictures in the Discord. Hey, we're over 100 people right now. 17 people in X now. Welcome, everybody in X. And 88 in YouTube. Got a nice showing lately. These Sunday nights have been pretty good. Lots of people showing up, hanging out. Unfortunately, we haven't been getting very good price action on these Sunday night streams. So we got 884 subscribers now. So another 16 to get to 900. Woo! And 48 likes. Thank you, everybody. Oh, I'm uploading a long walk today. A long one. Got about 70 here today. Oh, 7. That's pretty toasty, hey? Hey, Tony Snow Trades. Thank you. Appreciate that. Big smile, big smile. Moneybag Finance. Last Sunday was a banger. I wasn't tuned in, but the market was about the same with the huge gap fill. Absolutely printed last Sunday. Yeah, you know what? It printed after we got off stream. I ended the stream, and then it just freaking ripped right at London, right all the way to they fill the gap. Yeah, I remember that now. But while I was live, we pretty much chopped for quite a long time, I think, from what I recall. Where was this last Sunday? Sunday, yeah. See, see this? This is what we were sitting through while we were trading, and then it did this at the end of the session. Well, we're breaking down even lower here. I'm curious if that's about to be the same this time. Kind of looks like it. Yeah, we'll have to see here. I do have an order for 4 contracts here sitting on the overnight VWAP. Just to see if we ended up getting some support here. Could bounce off the VWAP. Yeah, 2 W's gonna break. Oh, like you're gonna take a break? Nice trades there, Sinister. All right, so we got a video here on the Discord of a nice long walk from Lone Wolves. Ooh, we got some hot dogs, hey? I don't think you guys can hear the audio though, can you, through the stream? Because I think I have it, or else you guys would hear all the stuff that I got going on the side. They smell something. What is it? Some hot dogs. It's a nice little walking area. These dogs are motivated. They're like, come on, Dad, let's go faster here. Very cool. I like watching these videos. I'm gonna keep playing it on the side here, just so like we can. I don't think maybe everybody doesn't want to watch. I mean, you never know. Maybe they do. Dog view, guys. It's dog view. When we get to the dunes area, there's a boat and a river playing loud tunes. Nice. Lucky dogs are getting a nice long walk here. Oh, I think I see the dunes now. It's your channel, bro. Do what you want. Well, it's actually your guys' channel. You know, I'm just here, and I'm only here because of all you guys. So what I'm looking for my next trade is market to go below VWAP and come back up, retest, and go back up all long. Nice. They're crossing their leashes on you. Hey, you guys, stay to your lane. There you go. This looks like a fun part in the... Oh, there's water too? Oh, that's what they're looking for. They couldn't wait for that part, hey? Yeah. Look at these guys. Oh, enjoying life right there, hey? This is what it's all about. They're like, we finally made it. Oh, big bumping tunes. They're trying to get your shoes wet. Very cool. Thanks for sharing. Sinister, you had 2 German Shepherds? Nice. Yeah, collies are great. They're so smart. Very high energy though, so you gotta make sure you got the time to exercise them. They need it. But if it just goes without you, oh well. Yeah. I'm still curious. I'm still interested in this 80 level. If we end up popping above the 80s, could think about getting in along here. So we got 2 options right now. Reclaim the 80s and start, you know, with some volume. Get a closure above the 80s. Or if we get a pullback here to the 55s. Yeah, the VWAP is getting pretty flat. You're right. We've been going sideways for quite some time, and we've been pulling back. So let's take a look at the 10. The 10's still relatively up. The VWAP on the 10. Higher time frames are pretty pointed up though. But yeah, as soon as you get into like the 5 or the 3 or lower, it's really getting flat, isn't it? Ba-dum-bam-bam-bam. Yeah, I agree with you on the potential weakness. As we have been seeing some weakness here. What's oil doing at the moment? Let's take a quick look at oil. Open up this middle chart here. This is gold. Gold's been showing some weakness here too. Oil's held the 86.67. I think somebody was saying they're taking a gold long here, 87.8, or oil long, 87.80ish. I think was the TP. It's getting up there. Yeah, I might go down to London. Never know. Never know. So one thing about this market, it's hard to tell what's going to happen. Hey, there's Facile Crypto. Good evening. Welcome. London could then flush down more. Yeah, you're right. It could be bearish. So we do have our 9 p.m. candle here, right? Is it this one? Which is a midnight candle. So I'm gonna put my midnight open price here. Often is a key level. Right there. Let's do this on the ES also. Midnight open, 2100 candle is this one. Have a bunch of orders at 26,666. Whoa, what a bad number. The 4 6s. Yeah, it was a 4 6s on your last trade and hit it. Nice. Maddie in the house. Good evening. Hello. Oh, we got Frank's barking. Got a truck driving by the house right here. Huh, this fair value gap. All right, we swiped through the bottom of the fair value gap there. Still got room on the 5 minute here down to 661. $660. What's this here? We got orders at 657. Can't trade my personal account. They raised the margins due to what's going on in Iran. Wow. That sucks. You're gonna take out 3 contracts at 60. So you're already in a trade. Keep 2 as a runner. Nice. So you're in with 5, hey, Andrea? Nice. Nice trade, Andrea. AMP always does it due to news. Oh, gotcha. Oh, you added when the NQ pumped? Well, patiently waiting here, seeing if we're going to get a bounce off the VWAP. We do have a 5 minute bullish fair value gap lining up with the VWAP. But we're currently in a 15 and we're kind of holding it still. Well, it's been bears now only for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles in a row on the 15. It'll probably hit downside of 26,650. Yeah, it could definitely, right? We're getting pretty close to my order here. Only 11 points away or so. Oil's getting closer to key zone, could reject and boost NQ. Let me open the oil back up here. Yeah, we're in the middle of a bearish fair value gap. Whoever was long, I think, said they're long in oil earlier. I think they would have just kind of hit their target there. I forget who said that. Christopher. Future rich dad. I like it. I like it. $886 subscribers. We're only 14 away from the nice round 900. Hit that TP of 900 subscribers tonight. What do you think, guys? Would appreciate it if you are new to the channel, if you'd hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any future streams. Currently have 51 likes and 98 people watching. I haven't checked out my Lucid platform yet. We're trying to get to the next sort of like affiliate target, and then I'll get some new accounts to be able to give away. So I'm about 172 away in affiliate sales to be able to get to the next sort of like tier, and then I should get some more accounts to be able to give away. So that's exciting. All right, we're sweeping down here. Looking like we might get an entry here. Nice little drop, yeah. Money Bag Finance. First time here, also subscribe. Hey, thank you. Appreciate that. Thanks for the support. So I have about a 15-point stop here. Hopefully we'll get some support in this area. I guess we'll find out. Really close to the entry here. Tapped into like 58 there on the low. I had a short view and I was right in NQ. Yeah, nice job. We do have orders down at 50. Does make me feel like maybe I can get a slightly better entry here. I'm going to bring it down just a couple points here. Let's go to like 52, 52.50. See if we can't get a bit of a sweep through this before we end up getting that entry. That also gives me a little bit more space here. What do I have for stop? $12 points. Oh, geez, look at that, guys. Sheesh. Why did I do it? Why did I do it? Oh. Why did I do it, guys? Why? Damn. I screwed that one up big time. Got greedy there. Oh. Yeah, sit on your hands. Exactly. I should have just left that freaking order where it was. What the heck, man? Perfectly touched the VWAP and bounced up. What is this? Almost 10 points? Well, it's only 6.5 points, but still. I probably would have covered some contracts right away there and then break even on the balance. Oh, that's frustrating. I waited that whole time only to get pull my order down. That was just a bad decision right there. You know, I saw the orders down here at 650, and I was like, oh, maybe I should go a little bit closer to 650. And then, yeah, of course not. Of course not. It's going to go right from... I had it at 55. Like, would have bottom ticked that, guys. Look at that. What the heck? Oh, I was trying to get long here, right? And as price was coming down, I'm like, I looked over the book and I saw orders at 26,650. So I dragged my entry down by like 2.5 points here, and then it went exactly to the VWAP and bounced. Now we're up what? 14 points, 15 points. Mother, that's frustrating, man. That's frustrating. Oh my god, why did I do that? That's too bad. Can't chase it now, though. Oh my god, man. Yeah. You did mention that, and then I looked over and I saw the orders and I was like, you know what? I think you're right. I'm not blaming you though. It's my own fault. Like, I should have just stuck with what I've been waiting here for the last 2 hours with my order sitting at 55. Oh my god. This figures, eh? Did anybody take that trade? Yeah, it could end up going lower now, but this is exactly the trade that I was looking for, was the reaction off of VWAP, which is what we totally got there. YouTube Paul, you got it? You're in that trade? Congratulations, bro. Oh! I screwed myself out of a trade there. Oh my god. You missed it too? Oh damn. We are so patient there. We waited for 2 hours. Why did I move my order, man? I had that order sitting there for almost over 2 hours now. Hey, we just broke 100 viewers right now. 103 viewers and 17 in X. Hey, welcome everybody. Live action in its finest right there, hey? This is why you should never second guess your trade ideas, guys. Just trade it, play the trade. That's too bad. Yeah, another chance will come in 2 hours, in approximately 2 hours, counting down from now. You had it at 655, but didn't get filled in your IBKR account? Oh, interesting. So that was a cash account though, right? That's like that's a real account. So maybe there wasn't enough contracts filled on that wick for you to get an entry, right? You kind of like get lined up if it's a cash account, like a real account. You'll be like lined up, and however many people were in front of you, those people maybe got filled, but you didn't, right? Oh, I can't believe that just happened to me. Why did I do that? So embarrassing. No, I don't mind. It's all good. Hey, 890 subscribers. Thank you. Hey, can we get 10 more? Is there 10 more of you in the stream that have not subscribed yet? It'd be a blessing to get to 900. FIFO? Yeah. First come, first serve, and that liquidity for real accounts. Yeah, exactly. That's why these wicks sometimes will not fill you, right? The order was big enough to head all the way down there, but maybe only one contract got filled at 55, right? And what was the actual low of that candle? I wonder if I might have even missed it too, because I had it at flat 55. Let's just zoom in real close here. Because it might have missed mine by, no, yeah, it came right exactly to 55. Oh my God, look at this thing going now. So sad, guys, so sad. 26,655? Yeah, exactly on the button, right? Well, you saw it here, guys. I called the bottom. That doesn't happen very often, but it was literally to the tick. Goodbye, NQ. I feel sorry for you, Dave. Yeah, thanks, Angia. But hey, you can't get them all, right? This is called trading. I might, I could have. There's a chance I could have just put my order at 54 and left it there, and we would have never got touched in the first place, anyways. But oh, that's too bad. Now I gotta force myself to not take a revenge trade here. We're 80 right now. Could be a short opportunity here, but I guess what we could wait for is a closure above the 200 EMA and sort of target this, the 700s. Oh man. Oh, you're short? Join you short? Yeah. Did you just get short, or are you still in that other short? Could try a 1 micro short at 80s here. Let's see though. That's a pretty strong bounce. Go short just for fun here on 1 micro. Still in 2, got 3 out. Nice, good job. I don't know that it's going to stop here, to be honest, at the 80s. So kind of, it probably is a good short opportunity. We don't really have a whole lot of orders. We have some orders down at 650 still. I have a trade if I select 25K and on this long. Let's see how it goes. Nice. Tony's still long. Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm like, now that we're back in this channel too, I think I need to be patient here for a break of the 80s and potentially take a long, maybe up to, 95, 90s to 95 area. Well, we might as well play this song for now. Skeletor, I missed the freaking long, bro. It pulled back. Just before it pulled back to the 850, the 655, I moved it down like 2 points for a little bit, hoping for a little bit better of an entry, and it missed my contract. But like I literally had it at 55, 655. It would have hit it to the tick, and I missed it. So you're hoping it takes Asia high. It's been sitting in the long since 9 p.m. I did take partials at the high and sat through the pullback. Okay, nice. Yeah, I'm in pain now. Yeah, now I'm like trying to like not FOMO into a trade here. Like, I just gotta make some money. Well, you guys saw it here. I would have made money if I didn't move that stupid order here. Okay, I'm gonna wait for a candle closure here. Hopefully we're gonna take this fair value gap, and then I'm gonna try a long here. Let's see though. Again, we rejected off that fair value gap here. The 680s is gonna be a key level. We do have some contracts up here at 727 area. Yeah, we've been waiting for 2 hours for that entry, and then I moved my order down. What the heck, man? Oh, I can't believe I did that. Nice 15-point trade though, eh? Market butcher game. Yeah, we play it smart.
Yeah. Market butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We're here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MNQ sweep stops, yeah.
Hey, thank you, Skeletor. Appreciate it. Hey, you guys saw it here live, and then here, look at that, rejecting off of the 80s now. Well, ooh, I don't like it though. I don't like it, guys. I do not like it. I will not take a long on this pullback at the VWAP. I think that was our VWAP opportunity right there. Yeah, we're going to revisit the VWAP. I'm not going to blindly enter on this one, though. Quite often when we do the second take, it's not going to be such a clean bounce like that. So, hey, 891 subscribers, yo. Thank you. And we only need 9 more to hit the big 900. And if you notice, when you do hit that subscribe button, if you are number 900, let me know who you are, because I do like to keep track of the big round numbers. Like, for example, AG Trader, AG in the house, he's number 500. Finding support here at this 650, 665 fair value gap now. Oh, this market, man. I'll unsub and come back at 900. maybe we're only gonna get to 899 then. Base hit, small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MNQ sweep stops, yeah, does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah. Can you guys imagine that this is like how good AI is now? You can just like pump in some words into like the chat, and then it turns it into a song, and then it like, this sounds like it could be a song, like almost a song on the radio. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry, buy a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself like, be patient then. Miss my entry, buy a tick again. Okay, well, if we end up creating this big wick here and then taking the 80s, you know, the bulls are back here. I gotta say. More trading music should exist. got to keep working on this. I should put together an album and then, you know, sell it for like 10 cents, the whole album on like some, make it like super cheap just so it gets it out there. Yeah, AI voice is perfect. Yeah, exactly. I do like this wick though. If we end up taking the 80s now with after that wick, like we're gonna go at least test these highs, these you know, the 700s. That's cushion for tomorrow. Put it on Spotify, yeah. And it's all your guys' chats. Good morning, where you trading from?
Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked and drop. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat, yeah, the squad pulling up. Weekend was waves, beer taste, and fill my cup. Ooh, early morning surf, yeah, the vibe too clean. Now we back at the charts, trying to read this screen. Do we close the gap? Yeah, that's all we say.
Do we close the gap?
Markets don't play. Asia slow, feeling like I might sleep. But then boom, TP hit while I DC.
Boom, TP hit while I DC.
7123 ATM dialed in, yeah, come trade like me. Plus 600, yeah, she flexing the gains. Silver in
I made this one tonight, Jerry, from the chat. I just copied the chat and uploaded it to the program.
But then someone says don't trade, yeah, we back off. Discord check, yeah, we built that crew. 1K subs.
It's pretty good, isn't it, Paul?
Coffee in the morning, charts at night. Oh, Market Butcher stream, yeah, we do it right. Good evening, good morning.
Market Butcher stream, yeah, we do it right. Yeah, it was Suno. Lilish.
Hit the TP while I got disconnected. Market's so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown.
It's called Suno, Suno. You gotta pay for it, but it's definitely fun, Andrew. Yeah, it's awesome. And then you just like it, you give it a prompt, right? Like whatever type of music, like you could turn it into a country song or hip hop, or you know, this one I think I said make it a pop song and slow it down a bit.
Good evening, good
yeah. Market Butcher live. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We're just getting live right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Let's go.
This one was like an R&B version.
Hey, let's go. Hey, opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep.
Pretty good music, man, I gotta say. I gotta make a whole playlist of these songs time here, and then we'll have like good tunes, all made by you guys.
Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even, market, take it, market teasing. I'm just stacking little base hits.
I literally woke up yesterday morning and I had like stacking base hits in my mind.
Blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back.
We waited for a pullback here, but I choked on the entry.
Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like, what I do wrong? while the market keeps singing this song. Chat talking about copy and trades. Life advice mixed with scalp and plays. Someone sold early, now they regret. Man, I should have held. Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits.
That was almost 30 points from that VWAP bounce earlier. Call, if you're patient enough, volatility does show up. It does, yes. Can you save songs, then play it back on the Suno app? I mean, it does keep track of all the songs that you create. You like the Iranian version better?
My daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside.
You hear that part? It's like, I'd let my daughter date him. That's the weirdest. Somebody said in the chat, like, I'd let my daughter date him. And I said, oh, that was the weirdest compliment I've ever got before. We just hit and quit. One and done.
Trade again.
And tomorrow we trade again.
Couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. Yeah. Okay.
This was the original.
We barely got sleep and keep moving wild with the volume low key. World going up with the Nasdaq too. One of y'all line, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Yeah, Mr. Entry by tick, pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little bases. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MNQ Futures stops in a rip quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, but we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits.
Stacking up these base hits. Still waiting here to see if we're gonna take the 80s. We only need 8 more subscribers tonight, guys. Hopefully somebody out there hasn't hit that button yet. Got bears outside, got chickens too. I made them, Mohammed. They're AI songs. Yeah, they're really good, right?
Market Butcher Live.
Market Butcher Live.
We here to survive. I don't need a home.
How come I didn't see that's weird that the chat I didn't for some reason Lemek's comment there didn't come through on StreamYard. But he said MNQ is dead to me now. Silver short finally hit VWAP. That was a slow grind. Hoping copper dips a little bit more before I shut down before bed. Yeah, good luck, Lemix. That's weird. I can see it on the stream on the live stream over here, but it didn't come up on my StreamYard comments. It's called Suno. SUNO Muhammad.
That's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market's still open, let's get this dough. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size.
Jerry said, recently started using Fibonacci for my trades. Still very impressive how spot on the bounce plays out. I think it's that kind of like self-fulfilled prophecies, right? So if enough people are using Fibonacci's, then there's going to be actual buyers, you know, at those levels, or sellers at those levels, right? And a lot of people use Fibonacci, right? So it's kind of like one of those things.
Market Butcher Live. We're not here to get. Yeah. Market Butcher Live.
It's quite unlucky last week and this week. I got few giveaways, and all the platforms they gave was not available in your country, and I can't claim the giveaway. Oh, that sucks, Angia. I'm sorry to hear that.
Tasting, fill my cup. Early morning surf, yeah, the vibe too clean. Now we back at the charts, trying to read this screen. Do we close the gap? Yeah, that's all we say. War news dropping, markets don't play. Asia slow, feeling like I might sleep, but then boom, TP hit.
Yeah, right. Usually they're only going to give it out to the person who wins it, though, so it's not like it's a code that she could share, you know. Usually it's like you win it and then they say, what's your name, what's your email address, and then they hook it up to you, right? At least that's how they do it on Profit Match. One K subs, yeah, we coming through.
Trading from go getting close, yeah, the moves might run, hit the TP while I got disconnected.
Yeah, bummer for everyone, yeah. How'd you hit for 3? Yeah, good question, right? She got lucky. Well, RNG lucky, just not lucky on being able to collect the accounts, unfortunately. And 80 support becoming resistance now. Yeah, exactly right. From 3 different places too, right? Oh wow. It's called Suno. SUNO.com.
Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in George. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat, yeah, the squad pulling up. Weekend was ways, beer tasting, fill my cup. Early morning surf, yeah, the vibe too clean. Now we back at the charts, trying to read this screen. Do we close the gap? Yeah, that's all we say. War news dropping, markets don't play. Asia slow, feeling like I might sleep, but then boom, TP hit while I DC.
Boom, TP hit while I DC. It's so good.
Yeah, she flexing the game. Silver in Asia, yeah, we running that game. Market going for blood, yeah, we all know. Tick charts, fleet charts, where the volume flows.
Tick charts, fleet charts.
Countdown, lift off, but then someone says, don't trade, yeah, we back off. Discord check, yeah, we build that crew. 1K subs, yeah, we coming through.
Oh, we're still in this range here now. What the heck? I'm so sad that I missed that entry. That's too bad.
Market so choppy, man, I should have respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in Jordan. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking. Tomorrow, yeah, the chat
I feel for you. Yeah, that's the worst. I waited 2 hours for that entry, and then I moved it by like 2 points, and shouldn't have. And we didn't invert that fair value gap, hey guys. It's a 10-minute.
Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Oh, getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. See, market so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in.
I like this one. Downtrend still intact. Yes, it is. Until we get over our 80s here. And we need a candle closure over the 80s. Even the 3-minute chart here bouncing up into this fair value gap. I'll be keeping an eye on this fair value gap. There's nothing on the 5 there. It's only on the 3. Went long on mess, yeah, 7123 ATM dialed in, yeah, come trade like me. Plus 600, yeah, she flexing the gains. Silver in Asia, yeah, we running that game. Market going for blood, yeah, we all know. Tick charts, fleet charts, where the volume flow. Rocket emoji, countdown, lift off. Rocket. Looks like a double top, second top filled to cross previous high. Sure, it'll go down. I think that's a disclaimer right there. Hey, I think not financial advice. Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Go getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. Market so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in. We've been chilling at about 101 viewers. Oh, guys, 4 more subscribers to 900. 4 more. That's it. Hey, Lamthao. Hello. It's evening. It's too late. Man, Bitcoin is trading better than gold and Nasdaq now. Really? Ooh, 74K on Bitcoin. Oh, straight down. I marked this key low. From when? Somebody was asking me about Bitcoin a while ago. This seems like a key level here. 74,275. We are going to hit 900 subs today. Yes. Only conviction, not advice. Yes. Good call. Boom. TP hit while I DC. Oh, thank you. But then someone says don't trade, yeah, we back off. Discord check, yeah, we built that crew. 1K subs, yeah, we coming through. Coffee in the morning, charts at night. Oh, market butcher string, yeah, we do it right. Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Go getting close, yeah, the moves might. Hey, thanks for all the interactions there on the chat, guys. Still only need 4 subscribers. We won't be getting off until we hit that, guys. I usually end the stream here in about 15 minutes or so, but we're going to be sticking around till we hit that 900. Pumping up the channel. We need a hug like a huge dump. I guess not a hug dump. It's like, are you all right, Mohammed? You need a hug? Top business money. Why did I say monkey? Top business and money.
Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked and drop. Silver, my friend.
24-hour stream coming, yeah. I wonder how many subscribers you can get in like a 24-hour stream. Maybe one day I'll try it. I'm gonna have to. I don't know how I could sit here for 24 hours though. That'd be pretty rough. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys. Thank you for all the support. You guys rock. All the comments, keeping me entertained. Also in the chat, we got 64 likes and 896 subscribers. Pushing up every day, little by little, on our way to that big 1000 mark, 1,000 subscribers. I did apply. Let me check my email here. Probably not going to get an answer till tomorrow, but I did apply for some other prop firm affiliates. So hopefully we might get some others coming up, but we'll have to see here. Okay, so I was just reading the email from X here. So it says, "Hello, we have reviewed your appeal request for account Market Butcher 1. Our support team has determined that a violation of our rules did take place, specifically inauthentic behaviors." So I'm not really sure what I did that's inauthentic other than play the Chuck Norris clips. So that must have been what got me in trouble. But then they said, "We considered the additional information provided and decided an overturn of our original decision is not warranted in this case. Therefore, we will not overturn our decision to lock your account. In order to restore account functionality, you can resolve the violations by logging into your account and completing on-screen instructions." What the heck, though? It's working. So what? How did it? If they're not going to overturn it, we considered additional information provided and decided an overturn of our original decision is not warranted in this case. Therefore, we will not overturn our decision to lock your account. In order to restore your account functionality, you can resolve the violations by logging into your account and completing the on-screen instructions. I guess I got like an X, like a strike or something. But my account is active now, so I don't know. Like, it's working now, so I don't know what I did inauthentic. The only thing I could have done was, like I said, I was on X, and then I saw a bunch of, like, in the feed on the right-hand side of it, there's some, like, Chuck Norris clips. So I, like, played the clip, and I showed it on the stream. And then I put it back, like, took it off the stream, and then I got banned after that. So I'm like, that's got to be the only way that I was able to get that. So Inauthentic. Yeah, I work in compliance. It's pretty generic. It's automated until human review. Maybe, yeah, so maybe it was kind of like that was just an automated response, and then maybe a human looked at the channel and was like, oh, that's fine. Let's just give it back to them because, I don't know, it's working, so. Geez, guys, just going sideways here between the 80s and this bullish fair value gap here at 65. But not even enough to trade here. Like, could try to target a 10-point winner off a long, but never mind. Did I miss your comment earlier, bro? Bitcoin traded better than gold and Nasdaq. I saw that. I was like, oh, did I miss a comment, bro? Sorry about that. I tried my best. They're trying to break it down right now. I got a message just like that from a Tinder match after our first date. Yo, Jim Blab, are you a comedian, bro? Sorry, I will no longer be seeing you due to inauthentic behaviors. Six seconds here on this candle here. They're inverting this. They did invert that fair value gap there. But we're still in this bullish fair value gap from earlier. So it's kind of like I can't really trade an inverted fair value gap right there. Don't bother with that alert you received from YouTube. Keep a bucket underneath. I just read that. I was like, keep a bucket on what? A bucket? Keep a bucket under your desk just in case. Yeah. Sounds just like her. Nice. Oh, geez, guys. What are we going to do here? Glad you have a sense of humor. Good vibes. Good streaming. Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you, sir. Hey, 896. We still just need four new subscribers. Anybody in there? There's gotta be 4 new people here. And we hit 65 likes. Thank you for that. Viewers are going down. 76 right now on YouTube and 17 in X. You'll have to forgive me. I'll unsubscribe to make the number 895 is better than 896. I'm always looking for more subscribers, not less. But I mean, you're definitely welcome to do what your heart desires, right? Well, 897 now. Only need 3 more, guys. 3. Just 3. Watch, we're going to get to 899 and then somebody's going to pull it. They're going to pull theirs. Or they're going to be the 800 is going to pull it. What is going on? Are you in a trade? First time here. Dag MXN. Are you from Mexico? I'm not in a trade. If you were here earlier, you would have seen I was trying to take a trade here. I had an order sitting at 26,655. I like about 30 seconds before price hit that level, I moved it down by 2 points, and then I missed this whole bounce here. But I pulled the order now. I'm gonna wait for another reaction down here, see if we get a reaction off the view up for a potential long. But yeah, at this point, I'm feeling like maybe we're gonna actually roll over more. We just kind of like ran out of steam on this last bounce, right? So they might be going for sort of these stacked lows here in the Asia session, or potentially these lows down here at 600, right? 600, 618 area. So, oh, you have Mexican heritage. Nice. Yeah, I just figured by DEGMXN, the MXN part. So, welcome to the channel. $898 subscribers. We only need 2 now. Two. Maybe if we bring Ralph onto the screen one more time, that'll get somebody to subscribe, because they'll be like, everybody loves cute dogs, right? He's like, Dad, quit waking me up. Quit waking me up to go on the stream. Oh, he's looking right at you guys. There's got to be somebody who likes a dog, right? Got your 900? Woo! Who's number 900? Thank you, Ralph. Thank you for doing that. Ralph's making things happen. Yes, nice, Dave. You can sleep with a big smile now. Yeah, we've had really good Sunday streams. Oh, look at that, guys! Right through the VWAP. See, good thing. That's what I was saying. Didn't want to take that trade this time. Yeah, I appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much. We're 100 away from that big 1,000 mark. I remember about 8 months ago when I was less than 100 subscribers, just slowly, between 15 to 30 subscribers, and then 40 or 50. And then once we got over 100, then it started speeding up a little bit, then we're 2, 3, 4. And now we're, getting close to 1,000. So, Jerry, you think you subscribed in the 400s not that long ago? Yeah, I mean, I've been live on YouTube now for 8 months, basically. But up until probably about 5 or maybe 6 months ago, I started doing these Sunday night streams. And that's when the channel started getting more exposure. So, ES has really been moving tonight. Yeah, it has, hasn't it? How many points did we do from these equal lows here? 30 points. Nice. Yeah. Hey, Amon's back in the charts here. According to the charts, 80 is the enter and 20 is the exit. Congrats and good night. Hey, thank you, Spaces. 77115 on ES. Nice. Relatively, yes, it has been moving pretty good. Relatively, for sure. Spaces 1111. You're the number 900 or what? You were right, Lilish. Yeah, I think when you said get Ralph on the screen and you're going to get more subscribers or what? I'm going to just have like a live Ralph video. We can just have him sleeping on the stream there. Oh, geez, guys. Oh. I feel like I'm really missing these opportunities here. Nice job, Angia. Split Striker, what's up? Good morning. Or good evening from here. Hey, we just broke 900 subs, 901, guys. What happened to my fireplace? It's getting cold. Yeah, that's a big candle. Almost hit the 20s there. I'm feeling the FOMO real bad right now.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go.
Hey.
Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. MNQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying no financial statements. Missed the entry by a tick. Pain almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market take it, market's even. I'm just stacking little.
Yeah, this could be sort of the manipulation before London, and then London's just going to rip higher. Yeah, quite possibly. Yeah. Could chop until London open.
You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know that it'd get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong while the market keeps singing its song. Talking about
You're looking for a limit order long at the pivot 616.
early, now they regret. Man, I should have held. Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop.
Yeah, I learned my lesson from last time we saw the gap down early last week. I was just sitting out till we get a direction. Yeah. Took my money and run. Goodbye, NQ. Sit that trade for over 2.5 hours. Right? No, I'm flat right now, John. Good to see you, John.
Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up.
Stack it up. Out of my shorts. Wipes brow. Gonna hit the sack. Thanks for hosting, Butcher. Hey, thanks, Yo Jim Blob. Appreciate you. Thanks for being here. Can't believe we hit over 900.
All right, guys. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go.
901 subscribers. Yeah, thank you guys. I appreciate you so much. So awesome. Bouncing pretty good here, guys. Market breathing.
Chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips.
Working on the 80-20 system. Did you I don't know if Amon's in the chat. Walks with AJ. Hey, what's up? How you doing, AJ?
Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green, then 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah, small wins.
Head and shoulders?
That's it. MNQ
You're good? Nice. Good to hear.
Yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kids. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food.
Got bears outside and chickens too.
Stack it up. Stack it up. Don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hitting quick. MNQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept.
I mean, with this kind of move, I feel like we're probably going to head lower here. We still have room down to sort of these lows, which is at the 20 area, 620. Might end up retesting the VWAP here.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud.
Yeah. Market butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We're here to survive. Ay, 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 ay. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big win? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Woo, six in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying, yeah, I don't trust you. Got my beat whack, got my levels clean, fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry, buy a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself like be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. And I'm sitting here like, should I say no way? Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs in MNQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this dough. I don't need a home run.
So I did get short here, guys. I'm gonna take some off here. A bit of a bad entry on that first set of contracts there. And let's go with, I'm gonna move my stop a little bit closer. Buy 6 stop here. Probably gonna take a couple more off here. Come on, tap it. There we go. We got 4 left now. Gonna go break even on the balance. See if we can't get all the way down to those 20s. If we bounce up too much here, I might end up taking 2 more off. You know what? I'm going to put a 2 stop right at 38. And then I put the last 2 break even. Finally got into a trade here, guys. Finally. NQ needs to flush. They pumped this POS last week for no reason. Yeah. If we get down to these 28 area, I'll probably be a little more aggressive with these stops. Maybe we'll bring it down to 32 area. There we go. Take 2 to 32. I'm going to trail these other 2 down also a bit. So no matter what here, we're making money on this trade. Going to be keep an eye on it when we get down to the 20s here. Try to lock in a little bit more here. Hopefully we get a big sweep lower. Might take these 2 out here. I'm going to bring my other 2 to the top of this candle. If we end up bouncing here, turning into a green candle, I'll be out of this trade. And let's just put our TP down here at 22. We'll do a buy to limit. Looking like we might get stopped out on these last 2 right here, though. Yeah, there we go. Pull out there. 156 on that trade. Not bad. Not bad. Took me a minute there to get us get logged over to the other account. I was in my Lucid account. I ended up taking this trade in my Take Profit Trader account. So beautiful trade though. Nice little trade there. Almost lost both accounts and turned it on that push down. Nice job, Martin. Thanks, Split Striker. Appreciate that. That's a good way to end the stream, hey guys. We hit 901 subscribers. Let's refresh this. Make sure I'm shouting out the right number here, but 902 subscribers, 68 likes, and ended up grabbing a $156 winner right at the end there. So far today, I'm up about 300. I made 156 there and 129 here. So almost 300, 290. Not bad for a Sunday. Good start to the week anyways. Set it off green. Had a lot of patience there. Should have had a winner here in this trade also, but it's all good. What can you do? Yes, I agree, Angia. Great start to the week. So that being said, guys, thank you so much again. As usual, you guys rock. All because of you. Thanks so much. I'm going to do my little shout out here like I usually do. Yeah, the 900 subs is a huge win. So thank you for that. Yeah, let's do the little shout out at the end of the stream like I always do here. Thank you so much. Angia, Yo Jim Blob, Skeletor, Chris, Lilish Borker, Jerry Trades, AG Trader, Fonz, YouTube Paul, Rod, The Global, Lemix, Money Bag, The Hawk Flies, Mohammed, Spaces, DGen MXN, Joanne, Lone Wolf, Raj Tiss, Future Rich Dad, Ty, not sure your name. It's typed in Indian characters, so I'll just call you my Indian brother. Trading Game, Trust Futures, Andrew P, Tim Korth, Sinister, Candle Dealer, Rob Miller, Split Striker, Tony Snow, Futures Traders 5, Wildfire, Facil Crypto, Top Business, Martin Perez, The Wiz, Motto, Jay, Lamthau, Uni, Walks with AJ, Medi, Antoine, Rizzy, Rogelio Alfie. Life is good and Space Futures FX. Thank you so much. There's a 20, guys. We hit the 20 there. Should have been patient. It's all good though. Congratulations to Amin. Nice job there. Hit that from 80 to 20. Nice trade. So thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you so much. It was good. Good night. Skeletor, Martin Perez, 1,642 to 800-ish. Nice. Oh, really? Hey, I appreciate that. Thanks. Thank you. Tony Snow, good night. Hell yeah, I missed it, but we'll get focused. Good job. Hey, Chris. Thanks so much. So appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. We'll be live again tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you feel like popping into the stream, we will be live. Nick might even be live early, pre-market. So thank you so much, guys. Appreciate you guys. Got me over 900 here. 100 away from the big 100. Looking forward to that. So thank you so much, guys, again. And we'll see you on the flip side. Peace out, everybody. Let's see here. One sec. I am gonna let you guys listen to this song on the outro. We'll say thank you on the loop. Thank you, everybody.
Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked and drop. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat, yeah, the squad pulling up. Weekend was waves, beer taste, and fill my cup. Ooh, early morning surf, yeah, the vibe too clean. Now we back at the charts, trying to read this screen. Do we close the gap? Yeah, that's all we say. War news dropping, markets don't play. Asia slow, feeling like I might sleep. But then boom, TP hit while I DC. Went long on mess, yeah, 7123 ATM dialed in, yeah, come trade like me. Plus 600, yeah, she flexing the gains. Silver in Asia, yeah, we running that game. Market going for blood, yeah, we all know. Tick charts, fleet charts, where the volume flow. Rocket emoji, countdown, lift off. But then someone says, don't trade, yeah, we back off. Discord check, yeah, we built that crew. 1K subs, yeah, we coming through. Coffee in the morning, charts at night. Oh, market butcher stream, yeah, we do it right. Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Go getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. Market so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in drug. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. See you tomorrow, yeah, the chat logs off. Chart still moving, never really stops. But we back again when the session start. Market butcher gang, yeah, we play it smart.